Oh, is Sana here? Hi, Sana. What did Sana say? I missed it.
I organize my things. When did I get coal?
You mined it on the way.
Oh, I did. I did do that. I remember. I also got these berries.
She said I look cute. Really? She said that? After she made me sleep with my feet at her head.
Oh golly, you actually did it, did you?
I had no choice. There were no other beds.
A few minutes later.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't like this?
I don't understand.
Well, you see...
Why? Oh no! Is this so that someone's feet can be...
Yes.
Why did I put it together? Okay, well... Yes. Wow.
This is Sana's bed, and this bed is for her guest. Sometimes for me.
It's just any guest. Wow. Okay.
You don't need to think about it.
Knowing what it is, I thought I would, you know, be a little less, disturbed. However...
Flashback.
Help me design, but it'll do. That's like... This way if you sleep, my head's right next to your feet. Let's do it. Rising shine. Smells like flowers. That's right. Smells like nature.